Of course, we've prepared generous gifts. It all depends on how the cashew trees bear fruit. The fruit has two distinct parts. The upper section resembles a large pear with soft, juicy flesh, nature's perfect fruit. In cashew growing regions, this part is actually sold as fresh produce. Its delicate skin makes transportation nearly impossible, so you'll rarely find it outside tropical regions. What we call cashew nuts are actually seeds growing beneath this fruit. Eating the pear-like part doesn't affect the seed at all. This clever system lets animals enjoy the fruit while preserving the seeds. Nature's perfect take what you need policy. Through evolution, seeds developed this brilliant strategy, using tasty rewards to guide animal behavior while ensuring their survival. But seeds don't just rely on animals for dispersal. They've evolved multiple survival strategies, transcending geographical and temporal boundaries through ingenious methods. Now let's explore seeds' incredible dispersal techniques in part 3. Beyond bribing animals with fruit, seeds have mastered aerial gliding, underground tunneling, and even post-mortem dispersal strategies. First, let's examine aerial dispersal, nature's original aviation technology. You might picture dandelions or willow seeds floating through the air. But observe how most winged seeds land just meters from their parent plant. These parachute seeds aren't true masters of flight. The true aerial champion is the Javan cucumber, Alsamitra macrocarpa, a Southeast Asian vine that climbs rainforest canopies. Its football-sized fruits split open when ripe. As the pulp dries, paper-thin winged seeds emerge through basal cracks. Each seed sits in a 12-centimeter wingspan glider that can soar hundreds of meters, sometimes reaching open sea. Inspired by these seeds, Austrian engineer Ego Ettrick designed early aircraft wings mimicking their aerodynamic perfection. To solve control issues, Ettrick added bird-like tail fins and created powered, steerable aircraft, a revolutionary success. This glider saw mass production during WW1, becoming crucial military equipment. Beyond standard wings, seeds evolved unilateral wing designs, more common in gliding types. Ash tree seeds dangle like keychains, while maple twins separate into single-winged helicopters before flight. Evolution dictates bigger seeds need larger wings for effective dispersal. The record holder is Brazilian zebrawood. Its spiked wings spanning 30 centimeters create lethal botanical projectiles, nature's flying daggers. Any creature struck suffers serious injury, while the species spreads alarmingly fast through aerial assaults. Scientists track eastern white pines migrating northward in North America. Some northern populations arrived just a century ago, advancing 70 kilometers in 100 years, lightning speed for plants. Beyond flight, seeds master subterranean tactics. Ultimate survival requires soil penetration. Some trick animals into burial. Others use specialized structures to self-embed. Tiny seeds slip through soil cracks via gravity, nature's simplest burial method. Grass seeds grow awns, stiff hairs acting like soil-darting projectiles. Wheat and barley develop long awns. Farmers remove these nuisance structures to prevent seed loss. Wild barley keeps rigid awns that vibrate like pile drivers, forcing seeds into soil cracks. Most remarkably, some awns absorb moisture to shapeshift like humidity-responsive hair. As humidity fluctuates, the awns twist and untwist, crawling seeds across soil until they slip into cracks, nature's moisture-powered drill. Even after penetration, awns keep working. Some coil tightly when wet, using barbs to anchor seeds in soft earth. Beyond flight and burial, seeds' ultimate survival trick is temporal transcendence, the death-defying dormancy. Dormancy suspends metabolism. Seeds become time capsules, barely consuming nutrients. If wings conquer space, dormancy masters time. Biological time travel perfected through evolution. Beneath our feet lies a buried library of seeds, centuries of botanical potential waiting underground. Some slumber for decades, even centuries, nature's long-term survival plan. In 1960, archaeologists found a 600-year-old rattle in Argentina containing canna seeds within a walnut shell. When planted, these ancient seeds miraculously sprouted, defying 6 centuries of dormancy. Yet this pales compared to the ultimate germination record holder. The title belongs to a 2,000-year-old date palm seed from Israel's Masada fortress. Discovered during Masada's excavation, this seed spent 30 years in storage before daring resurrection attempts. Against all odds, the millennial seed germinated, flowering again, a living bridge across 2 millennia. This dormancy mastery evolved as survival insurance, nature's risk management strategy. Mass simultaneous germination risks species annihilation during disasters, evolution's dangerous gamble. Staggered germination through dormancy became nature's fail-safe, botanical portfolio diversification. Plants control germination timing through seed coat permeability, biological alarm clocks set by evolution. Annual plants excel at this survival math, explaining why gardeners battle 7-year weed resurgences. 1 year's weed seeds guarantee 7 years of new growth, nature's relentless arithmetic. From aerial dispersal to subterranean tactics, plants equip their offspring with survival masterclasses, evolution's ultimate parental care. When seeds leave their parents, they carry complete survival kits, botanical inheritance perfected through millennia. Now, let's explore germination strategies, nature's most critical startup sequence. Germination begins with water absorption, seeds swelling like biological sponges before embryonic growth erupts. This hydration process harnesses carbohydrates and proteins to trap water molecules, nature's ultra-efficient moisture pump. The speed champion is South African bowphone seeds, transforming within seconds of water contact. Their smooth coats become sticky mucus anchors within seconds, defying floods and ants through instant adhesion. 6 hours later, swollen embryos rupture seed coats, roots drilling into soil with biological determination. Germination is biological point of no return. Timing determines life or death with absolute finality. Evolution equips seeds with 3 timing strategies: seasonal cues, risk distribution, and biological sensing. Seasonal synchronization uses temperature and humidity cues, nature's original calendar system. Most seeds break dormancy through winter chill, primed for spring's first warmth. Annual plants gamble with autumn germination, risking frost damage for growth advantage. Arabidopsis and brome grass embrace this risky strategy, betting on mild winters for competitive edge. Survivors gain crucial growth time, outcompeting spring sprouts through early establishment. Staggered germination spreads risk, evolution's answer to environmental uncertainty. The winter annuals spread their bets. Some seeds germinate in winter, others wait for spring. Following the traditional springling approach means facing cutthroat competition come autumn. Winter sprouts may be smaller but boast higher survival odds, nature's quality over quantity play. Since seeds can't predict winter severity, sometimes dormancy pays off, sometimes it doesn't. Evolution's verdict: hedging bets beats putting all resources in one seasonal basket. This survival math mirrors stock investments. Diversification conquers uncertainty. Seeds prove themselves master strategists through evolutionary trial and error. Beyond seasonal timing, seeds employ precision detection systems for germination triggers. Light-sensitive seeds, like lettuce, stay dormant until detecting specific photon signals. Even perfect soil conditions won't rouse these seeds. Demand sunlight's wake-up call. Tilling soil accidentally alerts weed seeds. Sunlight becomes unintended germination trigger. Want fewer weeds? Resist the urge to dig. Let sleeping seeds lie. Temperature fluctuation becomes another biological telegraph system for seeds. Grass-covered soil acts like thermal blanket. Bare earth sends temperature roller coaster signals. Seeds interpret thermal swings as all clear for spring germination. Steady temperatures keep seeds dormant. Nature's safety lock against false starts. From light detection to thermal calculus, germination strategies showcase evolutionary genius. Every germination trick serves one purpose: maximize survival. through precise timing. These mechanisms aren't random. They're evolutionary masterpieces sculpted over millennia. Ultimately, seed strategies all converge on life's crime directive: survive and multiply. All right, let's wrap up our seed saga with final insights. This book reveals seeds' evolutionary genius, mastering predator evasion and competition through brilliant adaptations. To maximize offspring survival, seeds developed animal manipulation tactics, nature's original behavioral hacking. For global conquest, plants engineered seeds with aerial gliding, soil drilling, and time-defying dormancy. Germination timing mechanisms became their ultimate survival algorithm. Biological risk assessment perfected. Every strategy, from animal trickery to aerial dispersal, serves life's prime directive: survive and multiply. Behind these marvels lies evolution's relentless problem-solving engine. Nature's trial and error process achieved what human engineers still struggle to replicate. Seeds' wisdom built Earth's ecosystems, tiny biological architects creating habitats for all life. Within each seed lies cosmic scale potential, biological big bangs waiting to unfold. That concludes our journey through the story of seeds. Key takeaways await below. Until tomorrow, keep marveling at nature's ingenuity.